Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Alhamdulillah wa sallallahu ala Sayyidina Muhammad wa ala alihi wa sahbihi wa sallam. We are on ayah number 92 of Surat al Baqarah. We are here. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Wa laqad. Dal has a qalqala. Laqad. Wa laqad ja'akum. This is a mad. Ja'akum. Meme, sukun, no movement, assimilates with this meme. Ja'akum Musa, Musa, mu, because you're extending with the waw here. Ja'akum Musa, Musa, bil, there's a ba, bil, bayyinati. Let's break that down. Ba kasra B, Hamzat al-Wasl drops, Lam with a sukun, Bil, Ba fatha Ba, Ya with a shadda, Bayyi, right? Because the Ba, Bayyi, Na, Noon fatha, long alif, Na, Ti. And then you put it together. Bil, Bayyinati, Thumma, and then you're going to go from the ma and mix it straight into the ta. This could drop. Thummat. It's almost like a ma, mat, because you're going to hit the ta here. Thummat takhadhtum. Thummat takhadhtum. You see that? Thummat takhadhtumu, tumul ijla. This is jim has a qalqala, ijla. Thumma takhadhtumul ijla mim. Because there's a ba, remember noon followed by ba becomes a meme. You would read it as mim ba'dihi. Mim ba'dihi. وأنتم ظالمون. A lot of cultures reads this as ظالمون. Okay? ظالمون. Here, we're now on ayah number 93. وإذ أخذ. Some read this as أخذ. That's wrong. Okay, so وَإِذْ أَخَذْنَا مِيثَاقَكُمْ وَرَفَعْنَا فَوْقَكُمُ الطُّورَ. Why? Because the meme, you don't read the alif lam, you go straight to the ta. فَوْقَكُمُ الطُّورَ. خُذُوا, you don't read this, it's just an extension of this. خُذُوا مَا. This ma is extended because of the hamza coming up. مَا آتَيْنَاكُمْ. Remember, common mistake, أَتَيْنَاكُمْ. It's not أَتَيْنَاكُمْ. It's ataynakum. Pay very close attention. Those are the most common mistakes. So you get someone that says ataynakum, right? It's wrong. So just there's the first extension. There's noon with a long fatha. Ataynakum biquwwatin this drops. وَاسْمَعُوا. قَالُوا سَمِعْنَا عَصَيْنَا there's a hamza, but it does have a dhamma. So وَأُشْرِبُوا فِي قُلُوبِهِمْ. Don't forget this. قُلُوبِهِمْ. With the alif lam there becomes what? قلوبهم mul. Mixing with this mul عجلة بكفرهم. قل بئس ما يأمركم به إيمانكم. This is a ya with a sukun, so it extends this ma because this has a long fatah. إيمانكم Noon sakina, noon followed by kaf, noon followed by ta. All becomes ikhfa. Try to memorize this line right here. In kuntum mu'minin. If you are indeed believers, okay? In kuntum mu'minin. We finished ayah number 93. Jazakumullah khair. Wassalamu alaikum.